Central Park is a huge focal point for many millionaires and billionaires living around Central Park and on Billionaires Row. So that's why we are apartment hunting around Central Park. We've done one of these videos in the past, so make sure to take a look at that one as well. Alright, so the first one we're going to go with is this one right here, which is $3,000 a month. It's 1 bed, 1 bath with undisclosed square footage. Let's check this out. So we have this nice living space. Next we have another angle with the main door, and your kitchen looks like all the way down would lead to the bedroom and the washroom. So this is a nice cool spot. Great high ceilings as well. That is excellent. Next, let's take a look at this stunning place for $25 a month. 1 bed, 1 bath. Great kitchen, which is flush right against the wall with amazing views. It looks like you're pretty high up in the building. Always love a great view. And here is another angle of the space. Wow, great space. It kind of, the space or the view looks so good that it looks kind of fake. But we love a good, irresistible view. And here we have your kitchen and bathroom. And last photo would be, so this is where it's located and the building. Very nice. Next, we have one that was posted 10 hours ago. Totally fresh. It is $26.50 a month, 1 bed, 1 bath. So let's see what this place has for us. So this is like the main entrance way. Great kitchen. We'll have some cabinet space. If you love to cook, this is awesome. Great space. Totally nice. Nice curtains and windows. Gotta have these curtain rods all the way up to the ceiling for all my interior designer people. You know it. You already know it. All right, so yeah, so this would be like the 1 bed that was on the side over there. Might get it in one of these photos. All right, then we have your bathroom and another angle for the bathroom. Let's check out this spot that was posted only 19 hours ago. It's $28.95, so let's say $2,900 a month, and it's a studio place. Looks like a great spot. Beautiful pictures. Here is like the living, dining, and kitchen space. Very nice. You put the bed on this side. This might be the main door. Living space. Very nice. You have some ceiling lights. Very nice. Is that a textured wall? That is pretty cool. All right, looks like an elegant space or elegant residence. Nice tiles, nicely decorated. Looks very fancy. And all that is $28.95. Those were some amazing photos. Comment below if you prefer having a bigger interior space, or do you just prefer location or interior space. So this specific place was the Upper East Side, and the walk score and transit score are total A+. Can't forget the bike score as well. Let us know, do you like more interior space or a better location? All right, check out this video right here, and we'll see you in the next video.